Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to do 3 easy hairstyles with head wraps. I know we have all seen them, we have all admired them, and to be honest, I get a little intimidated by it because I see this beautiful woman doing all these creative things with it, and I'm just an amateur at this, okay? But I found 3 easy hairstyles that you can do with the head wraps, and they look beautiful. They're amazing for the summer because, you know, they just maintain your curls there and you don't dry them out. They're perfect for honestly at any point of any time of the year, and they just add that touch to your hair when you don't want to refresh your curls or anything like that. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to show how to take care of them. Very easy, very short tutorial. And for this tutorial, I'll be using 3 head wraps from the amazing online store embracecrowns, owned by my dear friend Sarah from Puerto Rico. She makes them all herself. They're all handmade, and if you're interested in them when we finish this video, you can go down on the link below and, you know, just check them out. This video is not sponsored at all, by the way, but it's just beautiful. So let's go right in. So for the very first style, you need to need either a hair pick or a comb, a product to refresh your curls, and I'm using the My Monster coconut milk one. You can use anything really. Also, you're gonna need a gel. I'm gonna using the Diva Curl Light Defining Gel. As you can see, my hair is on the second hair day, so honestly just need a little fresher and go, but I don't want to do that. So just take your kind of like your bangs like this, and depending on how neat you want to be, you can, you know, just get a regular brush to kind of like brush it up like this. If you don't care, then just keep going. Gonna take your head wrap, and I'm using an extra large one. I bought them all extra large because I wanted to just, you know, be able to wrap them around, and this is what you're going to do. So this is the first style. A lot of my styles have this because it's literally the simplest one that I can do. You can have your bangs like this. You can put them all to the side and kind of just, you know, put some gel in here. But isn't it so cute? And honestly, they're very gentle. So you might think that it's gonna give you a headache or whatever, but they don't. Now, up to the second one. So, this is cute. So for the second head wrap, you're going to just take everything and put them on a pineapple. So I always use a little gel, you know, in case you sometimes, you know, those little hairs just get up. I'm just gonna take everything, and then again, depending on how neat you want to be. So once this is done, take this head wrap. One of my favorite ones, actually. So this is the second one. As you can see, I took my scrunchie. Also, by the way, Embrace Crowns make scrunchie too. This is one of them. So I took out the scrunchie because I wanted to just have the hair like, but you can leave it there. It doesn't hurt really. But just for a day that you want them like out, but not up in your face. I do not know how to deal with baby hairs. I will at some point do a video trying to do them because I don't know how to. But you know, it would be really cute, you know, if you like to do that, slick them out so you can just do all the whole thing, and they just, like I said, it just looks really cute. So if you're worried that this gets out, it really doesn't. But if you're worried about it, just get a hair tie and kind of like put it there, and it's not gonna be noticeable at all. But yeah, now let's go to the third one. And for the third one, it's actually the first one that I ever learned. And basically for this one, I do it more when my curls are like in the 5th day, or or like in the, I don't know, in the stages that it's very dry, they're not good, they just not cooperating or anything like that. My crown, I try to do like as much as this I can make. Not very well, as you can see, but let's go. So this is the third style, and this is perfect to when you just don't want your curls in your way, you just want them all in, or when you're in your 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th day of curls and you don't want to wash your hair yet, and you just put them all in. They look super cute, super trendy, super nice. I don't know what else to say. And this is it. So now I'm going to tell you how to take care of them. It's very easy, very simple. You know, Headwraps accumulate sweat, you know, you have products and everything, so they can get, you know, stinky at some point. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your Headwraps, you're going to take your favorite detergent, and you're going to go to a sink. You're going to use warm water, not too hot, not too cold, warm water. Then after that, you're gonna wring out the water of the Headwrap, and after that's done, do not put them outside nor on a dryer because the colors can wash off. So what you're going to do, what I did is put them in a hanger and then just put them in my room and just like air dry them. And honestly, they air dry very quickly. Like it took like probably like 2 hours or 3, and there you go. Then you have them perfect for your next time that you're gonna use them. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm going to be making more tutorials, probably on Instagram, once I discover more ways on how to use these beautiful crowns. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!